Faceless YouTube channel niche idea number 9 is the affirmation/meditation niche. And here's a channel called Positive Affirmations that just produces these types of affirmation videos in which nobody's showing their face. There's literally just some stock picture or stock video in the background that you could find from places like Pexels or Pixabay. And here's another channel called Fresh Affirmations, these same types of videos, and a lot of these videos get a ton of views. 4.2 million views on this video. 42 morning affirmations to kickstart your day. And if you go to Fiverr, you can literally just find people to make meditations or affirmations for you. And if we search meditations on Fiverr, as you can see, people will literally record meditations for you for as little as $5. And then you can find completely free music to use in your meditation videos as well from places like the YouTube audio library. And also a great thing about the meditation niche is that you could very easily sell affiliate products out the back end of your YouTube channel. And by doing this, you could potentially make a lot more money than from just ad revenue alone. And here's how I would do it. I would go to marketplaces like digistore24.com, and I would go to the marketplace section right here, and then go down to spirituality and esoterics. This type of stuff is going to be of interest to people who are interested in affirmations or meditations, depending on the niche, and you could just promote some of these products just by clicking this blue Promote Now button, sign up for a Digistore24 account, and get a commission on every single sale that you get. You could potentially make a lot more money from affiliate products like this, or making premium meditations, or paying people to make premium meditations and selling them through something like DPD carts, and potentially make a lot more money than from just ad revenue alone.